To the next question. Third question from exercise 4.2. Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now coefficient of x square and constant c should be multiplied. So root 2 into 5 root 2 will be 5 into root 2 into root 2 is root 4. Root 4 is 2. Okay, so that is 10. So to split this 10 such that we should get addition 7. Those two numbers addition should be 7. So possibilities are 5 and 2 because 5 plus 2 will give you 7. Okay. Now 5 into 2 is 10. So I am going to split the middle term. Root 2 x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here what is common? X is common. Okay. So if I take x common here, I will remain with root 2x plus 5. Okay. But here what is common? Nothing is common. But here the terms remaining in bracket are root 2x and 5. Here nothing is common, so we cannot get root 2x and 5 here. Okay. Now for such type of questions, what to do? Here there is root 2 and 5. We cannot take anything common from root 2 and 5. But x square and x we can take common. So I am going to take that common. Here you can see there is 2 here and there is root 2 here. So we can take common from 2 and root 2. Okay, because this 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2, like this. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Correct or no? So I am going to split. I will write this same step as it is here. Root 2x square, and this term also I will write 5x as it is. But this 2 I am going to write as root 2 into root 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So why I have splitted this 2 as root 2 into root 2? Because I want to take common from 5 root 2 and this 2. If we split this 2 as root 2 into root 2, you can take common from this 2 as root 2 and this one. And here you can take x common. Okay. Now in this, why I have splitted this 2? Okay, because there is root 2 here, so I have splitted 2 as root 2 and root 2. Why I have not splitted 5? Because inside this square root 5 is not there. Number 5 is not there. If there is 5 here inside this square root, then you can split this 5 as root 5 into root 5. There is 2 here and there is root 2 here, so I have splitted 2. Okay. So now what is common here? X is common. Root 2x remains plus 5 remains here, plus here what is common? Root 2 is common. This root 2 and this root 2 I will take out. What remains inside the bracket? Root 2x plus 5, that is equal to 0. Now what is common again? Root 2x plus 5 is common. What remains inside the bracket? X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So root 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 divided by root 2, because this is multiplication becomes division. And here x is equal to minus root 2. This is one solution. Here denominator should not be an irrational number. So square root of any prime number is an irrational number. So always remember there should not be an irrational number in the denominator. So how to take out that irrational number? By rationalizing the denominator. Multiply by root 2 and divide by root 2. Same number you have to multiply and divide. Minus 5 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2. So this is the answer of the third question.